Tarzan and the Jungle Surprise. Deep in the jungle, Tarzan was swinging from tree to tree when he heard a strange noise. "Who's there?" he called. Suddenly, a little monkey fell from a branch, carrying a glowing fruit. Tarzan caught it midair and smiled. But the fruit wasn't ordinary. It sparkled like gold. Tarzan took a bite and suddenly he could understand the animals' voices clearly. The birds chirped warnings, the elephants trumpeted directions, and even the tiny ants whispered secrets about hidden paths. Just then, a group of poachers appeared, trying to steal the magical fruit. Tarzan acted fast. He swung, jumped, and called all his jungle friends. Monkeys created chaos, elephants blocked paths, and the poachers ran in confusion. In the end, Tarzan protected the fruit and returned it to a secret tree grove, safe for all jungle creatures. Moral: protecting nature and listening to its secrets can save the day.